Now I am gonna solve this example 1, and the example 1 is very important. Please focus on my video. Here given soil A, B, C and D. Soil A has gravel 10%, sand 20%, silt 41% and clay is 29%. The question is, classify the following soils according to the USDA textural classification. So, modified percentage of sand. Sand modified percentage equals to sand percentage over total percentage minus gravel percentage. So here we know sand percentage is 20% and gravel percentage is 10% into 100%. Then modified sand percentage will 22.22% and modified percentage of silt equals to silt percentage divided by total percentage minus gravel percentage into 100%. We know silt percentage is 41 and gravel percentage is 10. So silt percentage, modified silt percentage will 45.56%. Okay, and modified clay percentage is clay percentage divided by total percentage minus gravel percentage. Here clay percentage is 29. So clay percentage, modified clay percentage will 32.22%. We get modified clay percentage is 32.22% and modified silt percentage is 45.56% and modified sand percentage is 22.22%. So let's classify the soil. We get percentage of sand is 22.22. So 22.22 will like in this point, and we get modified percentage of silt is 45.56. So 45.56 will like in this point, and finally we get clay percentage. This is 32.22%. 32.22% will like in this point. So the corresponding line for this 3 point will fit for in this section, and the section name is clay loam. So okay, thanks for watching my video.